In this video, we are going to talk about the latest release from OpenAI, the GPT-4 language model. But before we dive into the details of GPT-4, let's first take a brief look at the history of OpenAI. History of OpenAI. OpenAI is an artificial intelligence research laboratory consisting of the brightest minds in the AI research. Founded in 2015 by a group of tech giants including Elon Musk, Sam Altman, and Peter Thiel, OpenAI was established with the mission of advancing AI responsibly and safely. Since then, OpenAI has made significant contributions to the field of AI, including the development of the GPT series of language models, which have become widely used for natural language processing and text generation. GPT-3 versus GPT-4. Let's talk about the latest release GPT-4. GPT-4 builds on the success of its predecessor GPT-3 but with significant improvements and advancements. First, let's talk about the size. GPT-3 is a massive language model with 175 billion parameters, making it the largest language model to date. However, GPT-4 is expected to be even larger with an estimated 1 trillion parameters. This increase in size will allow the GPT-4 to build, understand, and generate more complex language and concepts. Another improvement in GPT-4 is its ability to handle multiple languages more effectively. While GPT-3 can generate text in multiple languages, GPT-4 will be able to understand and generate text in multiple languages simultaneously. This means that GPT-4 will be better situated for tasks such as language translation and cross-lingual search. Another significant improvement in GPT-4 is its ability to understand and reason about the world in a more human-like way. While GPT-3 is impressive in its ability to generate a coherent text, it can't understand the concept and make logical decisions. GPT-4 is expected to be better at these tasks, which will allow it to generate more insightful and meaningful text. Finally, GPT-4 is expected to be more efficient and require less computational power than GPT-3. This means that it will be more accessible to researchers and developers who will be able to train and fine-tune the model more quickly and at a lower cost. So there you have it, a brief overview of the history of OpenAI and the advancements and improvements in GPT-4 compared to its predecessor GPT. While GPT-3 was already an impressive achievement, GPT-4 is said to be revolutionize the field of natural language processing and text generation even further. We look forward to seeing how researchers and developers will use this technology to advance AI in the coming years.